are ready. This year, I decided I'm starting over as a content creator. I haven't been consistent here because life has been lifing behind the scenes, but 2026 feels like a fresh start. This year, I'm committing to showing up here again and posting consistently every week. I want to share more of my real day-to-day life living in the city, what it's like being a full-time content creator, gym life, routines, and just documenting the process of building a life I'm proud of. So welcome to our first vlog. First thing, let's go to the gym. Okay, my new camera just arrived and I'm very excited to show you. I'm super stoked to be working with Insta360 and they sent me their Go Ultra. This is the creator bundle. I have been eyeing for this camera for months now, ever since wanting to get back to vlogging. So I'm very excited and yeah, let's unbox it together. It's the next day and today we're gonna test this bad boy out. So I'm getting ready right now to grab a coffee. So it's perfect to test it outdoors and see how it looks, see how it performs. So today I am wearing this set from Better Me. Super cute. I know it's hot outside, but I don't care. I really love my sweats and I'm comfy. That's all that matters. I used this yesterday and I feel like it made a little difference. I feel like the curls are more curling today. It's just the first time, so we'll see how it goes. But so far, I love how the hair is looking. We are ready. Let's go grab some coffee. Ice.
That's it, sir.
Hot. Latte. Tall. Ice with oat milk. Yeah. Hey guys, so just got back from Kylo's second walk, and wow, it's hot. Summer is here and it's just getting hotter and hotter each day. But yeah, it's been a busy day. I've been working since after our coffee date outside, and now I'm gonna be back at it. It's a busy day of filming and editing. I have my UGC deadline today, so I'm gonna knock it out of the park, and this is I will be for the next couple of hours. So also, this is what the camera looks like indoor. Don't mind my clutter background. What do you guys think? Obviously, I can't see it right now because it's recording, but I feel like it does better outside. It doesn't do well on a low light. I think it looks kind of grainy. What do you think? I think this is in pure video mode. It automatically uses the pure video option whenever we're in a low light setting. Hold on, let's try this angle right here. Okay, this is a better lighting and I think better image. Yeah, so I guess if you want that better image, it definitely gives you that better image quality when you're using natural light, like right in front of you. I have this big window, so but definitely bringing this camera outside is so handy because it's so tiny, especially for a shy vlogger like me. Like, this is very helpful because it doesn't catch a lot of attention and you can pretty much stick it to anything. It's definitely a bonus and makes vlogging so much easier. Anyway, I was saying I'm gonna play around more with different locations and different angles and see what we think about this camera. But yeah, I'm gonna go back to working and I'll check back with you later. I think they use the same milk.
Probably.
It literally tastes like our coffee, just with honeycomb and honey.
Yeah, it's good.
Right? It's really good.
He's already 7 years old.
Full grown.
Wait, what is this breed?
Pekingese is a mix. Pekingese and Dachshund.
Oh,
Full grown.
it's full grown.
Look like a baby still.
Yeah. Hello. What's your name?
Coco.
Coco. Cute.
Coconut's Coco.
So I have been using and testing this camera for about over a week now, and I just want to share my thoughts with you in case you're planning to buy this camera as well. So I actually have a list. So what I like about this camera is, first, it's so tiny, so it's perfect on the go camera. So when you remove this little standalone camera right here, it's literally just the size of your iPhone camera. Right. Next is, it's perfect for shy creators like me. I'm not used to vlogging. I've never vlogged in years, and this is our first vlog, so definitely very helpful. Using it outside made it easier for me to vlog, especially when there's a lot of people outside and it doesn't attract attention. Especially, I get anxious when vlogging in public, so it's perfect. Because of how tiny it is very travel friendly. You can literally put it in your purse or even just hold it while walking. It's very lightweight as well. And the POVs, the angles that you could film with this camera is incredible. The angles I never thought of doing, just it makes it possible, and you can pretty much stick it to anything. All the accessories that came with it. And it can film up to 4K 60 FPS. The built-in mic sounds amazing as well, so you don't really need to buy an extra mic to vlog, especially if you're just starting out. I would say the image quality is pretty good for its size outdoors, because I'm always at home, probably 90% of the time, and I film at the gym, which can be dark, so I wasn't impressed on the quality on a low light setting, especially as someone who uses this camera to film everything. So when I tried that on a low light setting for the first time, I was shocked, like, this is it? It's just because I'm not really used to it. It's because I really like and enjoy my clips more quality when filming. So it's really a preference. So what do you need it for, you know? For me personally, it's going to be a complementary to this main camera that I'm using, because there are certain angles that I can't take with this camera. Also, I don't want to bring this outside because it's a little heavy and it's going to catch a lot of attention. So definitely perfect for vlogging outdoors and filming POVs outside, like on a coffee shop or on a hot girl walk and all those things. So yeah, I think that's pretty much it. That's the only thing that I don't really like about it. It's the low light quality, but I know it's not a fair comparison to this camera because it's not a Sony cam and it's tiny, but just to give you an opinion and what I personally prefer. So now it's up to you on how do you want to use it and if you want to purchase it. Now, if you want to see more videos of me using the camera, subscribe, because I'm going to see you in the next video. So I'm going to talk to you in the next vlog. Bye, guys.